Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you our outdoor motion sensor. When you get the sensor, it will come packaged like this. Inside, you'll have a bag of grommets that are used to add some additional weatherproofing. The mounting bracket. The sensor itself along with 15 feet of cable. And then a helpful wiring card. To set up your sensor, first thing you're going to want to do is take out those rubber grommets. Now these go over the screw holes, so you're just going to push those in. And do that for all 4 of the screws, and that will add weatherproofing to those screws. If you notice, along the side there is already a gasket surrounding the entire sensor. To set up the mounting bracket, slide out this middle plate, grab a screwdriver, take out this screw, and screw these 2 together. Now if you twist off this part, you can mount this to your wall, then attach this part. The tighter you twist this, that'll lock this motion. So if you twist that real tight, this motion will become tight. Slide that on until it clicks into place. And that is how you set up the mount on the motion sensor. If you look at the wires, there will be 4 wires. Black and red are your power. Yellow and white is for the relay, for triggering. So if we look at this, the yellow wire, which could also be a green wire, so on some of our controllers they're labeled as green, or in some of our diagrams it's green. It's the same as the yellow wire. And then on the back, you have different inputs. So the non-isolated input, that's going to be for your Amon Duo. That's how you wire up the Amon Duo. And then for the isolated input, that's how you wire up your Amon Quadro. Thank you for watching. We hope you really enjoy this product.